major achievement. It's a significant point, a checkpoint, as Hambad has rightly said, or a major achievement in your projects. And milestones can be there in programs and portfolios at an organizational level. Milestones usually are represented on the roadmaps or like in some more visual way. But in the project plans as well, there is a provision of marking and mentioning your milestones. So please, milestones and deliverables are not same. Milestones and activities are not same, not at all. So this can be a conversation if you really want me to get into that. Otherwise, we can skip this. But I have seen that very often that people use milestone and deliverable interchangeably. People use milestone and task interchangeably. Does anybody want to talk about it? Milestones and deliverables are same or not? And if not, how not?
Assalamu alaikum.
Walaikum assalam. Yes, Rashid.
When multiple deliverables are done, you achieve a milestone. And when multiple tasks are done correctly, then you complete a deliverable.
Very yes, that's correct. And anyone else want to comment?
Deliverables are basically the outputs of a project. While milestone, on the other hand, is like, the checkpoint where you say that, okay, we have achieved a key objective of a project.
See, we have already seen what is the deliverable, what's the task in detail, how the task is different than deliverable, how the task is related to the deliverable. Milestones are not deliverables. Milestones, as someone has rightly, I think Rashid has rightly said, milestones are achieved by covering and by delivering certain deliverables. For instance, if I give you an example, there can be many examples, but if I give you the example of your own PMP journey, there are multiple deliverables that you are supposed to be doing. So the main deliverable, maybe the first level of WPS, if you create that, would be your live training session. The other important deliverable is your simulator-based learning, and the third important deliverable for your work is application. Under the live training deliverable, there are 12 classes. Each of the class can be a deliverable. Under each of the class, there are certain agenda points that we need to cover, which are again the sub deliverables of that. So you can imagine the WBS that way. If, for instance, we are done with first class in the project, you would not say that our milestone is achieved, that I am, or nobody is going to update their LinkedIn by saying that the first class of the live training session is completed. No, everybody is going to say that what's the big deal? I mean, okay, it's done. It's kind of like your own thing, and nobody is really interested in that thing because it's not a major achievement. It's not a milestone. And maybe under each of the deliverable or each of the class, you can have a variety of tasks, certain assignments, certain question answer discussion, and things to do. Most of the thing would be related to me. For most of the tasks would be related to me. And your own task is only to listen to the class. However, the task are there for each of the class deliverables. So the deliverables, the tasks are there. And for the simulator-based exam prep and learning, you have a variety of lessons. Each of the lessons has certain videos, slide decks, tests, mock tests. So a variety of deliverables are there. Major, minor deliverables are there. And accordingly, the task for the lowest deliverables. My point is, what's the milestone in this case? You guys tell me. You are on this journey. How would you define the milestones on your PMP journey? How would be the major achievement on this journey? Some major achievements that you would want to highlight. Yes, on this journey, this much part is significantly achieved. Maybe one.
Completing this,
Yes, please.
completing the simulator videos and doing all the tasks there.
Yes.
And this could be one milestone.
One major milestone is, which is a huge one as well, is completing your homework-based part. So 17, 18 different lessons, which like collectively as a deliverable is huge. But once that is done, it's a major achievement. Maybe not for someone else, for your own self and for your trainer, this is a major achievement. I consider that as a major achievement. Because once that part is done, you are more than halfway already. So it's a major achievement that you are done with your homework part, those 18 lessons, which everybody is supposed to be doing. Then the other major deliverable, the major achievement is your completion of live training session. It's a major achievement. Your 35 videos requirement is fulfilled, which actually makes you eligible for the application deliverable. So it's a major achievement. Without that, you can't really proceed to the application. Other major achievement is once you are done with clone tests, once you are done with mock exams, once you are done with advanced level practice, these are major achievements. Of course, major achievement with the respective scores achievement. But once that is done, it is a major achievement. Then another major achievement once your application is approved by PMP. So these are different milestones on this journey. And the ultimate, the biggest achievement is once you are done with PMP. PMP certification itself is the ultimate achievement. But that's the ultimate achievement, which probably the world is also interested in. But world probably is not going to be interested in your intermediate milestones. But for you, these are milestones because this matters.